for Class 5 students.
Your son is doing very well in science.
That's wonderful.
But he seems to be struggling in English.
That's what surprises me. He studies both subjects. Then why this difference?
Mom, I love experiments and finding answers. But long passages are difficult for me.
Maybe the problem isn't effort. Maybe it's something deeper.
For Class 5 children, Student Education Diagnostics checks whether a child can respond positively and adapt to change with confidence. Using the pause, adjust, participate technique, children learn to stay calm, adjust to new situations, and take positive action. This helps develop adaptability, emotional balance, social confidence, and problem-solving skills.
Can your Class 5 child's strengths and weaknesses across different subjects be identified scientifically? Can you discover what helps them learn better and what holds them back? America's trusted future skills program, Student Education Diagnostics, for the first time now in India, using neuroscience-based natural intelligence tools, discover your child's learning gaps, subject-wise strengths, thinking patterns, cognitive abilities, and learning potential. Because when you understand the reason behind performance, you can unlock the path to improvement. Through Student Education Diagnostics, prepare them for the future with the right foundation.
For assessment registration through your school, call now 1-800-890-8733. Every child's weakness has a reason. Every child's strength has a future. Discover both.